Hello Libra, how are you? Welcome to my channel star. So Libra, this is your reading for the month of February 2021. You may consider this as a post mid-month reading. Okay, and this is a general reading, Libra, so please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay, Libra, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. I would also request you to hit on that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever I upload the videos. Okay, all right, let me explain you the format of this reading, Libra. Okay, I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent the energy of the person that you are thinking about, you are dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Thereafter, we'll pull some cards from another deck and they will represent the general messages. They will represent the non-love messages for you and your person. You may be seeing a lot of 111, okay, 1111. Okay. Later on, we'll pull some cards and they will represent the messages from higher powers, the messages from universe regarding this connection, or in general. At the end, we'll just wind up this reading by pulling out one single card, which will be the likely conclusion for the given situation. Okay, all right. I just saw 111 in front of my eyes, like, you know, I just saw that image of 111, and so I thought, let me inform you that quickly. Right, let's get started, Libra. Ace of Swords for you, Three of Cups, the Emperor for your person, Nine of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, the Chariot. Mutual energy is Queen of Swords, Hangman. Alright, Libra, so if we have to talk about the zodiac signs, you may be dealing with a Pisces, you may be dealing with an Aries, a Cancer. However, I see a strong water sign presence and air presence, so you may be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, alright, if the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. So we have Ace of Swords, Three of Cups and the Emperor. So Libra, there is some sort of a communication that is coming towards you, which is going to give a lot of clarity. Okay, and this communication will be more than enough to heal you. Okay, that's what I'm getting. This communication will be more than enough to, you know, clear whatever misunderstandings were there, or clear whatever you know, there was some sort of a fear in your mind. Okay, what will happen next? Okay, but whatever communication has come towards you, it will come towards you, it will sort of relieve you. Okay, relieve you from a lot of burden, relieve you from a lot of anxiety that you're carrying in your mind since a lot of time, because we have Ace of Swords and we have Three of Cups next to one another. Okay, I also see that you may be dealing with someone who is a bit stubborn, who may be a boss level kind of a person, but who comes across as a very who is very sharp with their words. That's what I'm getting. Someone who is very sharp with their words. Okay, someone who has accomplished a lot in their life, and this person has a lot of wisdom. Okay, this person has a lot of wisdom, and what I see is they really want to see you happy. They really want to see you happy. Okay, and I'm sensing that this person has a lot of regrets for what they have done to you, and this person is on the verge of taking some action towards you. Okay, but at the same time, I also see that you are now getting into their energy. Okay, you are becoming you know, you're becoming bit I'll not say you are becoming adamant or you're becoming rude or sharp with your words. What I'm trying to say is probably you are realizing that you need to show your boundaries. Okay, you're gonna be very headstrong about it, Libra. Okay, you're gonna be like, it's not gonna be my way or highway. Going ahead, it's not gonna be uh, you know uh, it's not gonna be your command and it's not going to be your way all the time. Okay, so if this is a relationship and things have to be mutual, every single thing has to be mutual. Okay, and if you do not agree, the exit doors are wide open. So you are very headstrong this time. Okay, you are very decisive. That's what I'm getting. And you are letting know this person what are your boundaries. You are definitely letting know this person what are your boundaries. And I believe that, Libra, there is some sort of a heart to heart communication that is coming your way. There is a heart to heart communication that is going to come towards you. I also feel that you people feel for one another a lot. Okay, and there is a lot of things that have got pent up in your mind, and both of you want to express a lot regarding both of you, how you felt when you people got separated, or what is your state of mind. Both of you want to express this. That's what I'm getting over here. Okay, and now that you are getting this opportunity, or that opportunity has already come your way, you're feeling very happy, you're feeling very relieved. Okay, but at the same time, I'm very sure whatever this conversation is, you are going to tell this person that these are your boundaries. Okay, I also see that for some of you, the heart-to-heart conversation is going to help you relieve so much. Is going to help you heal so much instantly that it may turn into a sexual act later on. Okay, later on in the sense, once the communication is done, okay, it may become sexual. Okay, so during your first meeting itself, after any sort of communication that happens from this person, I believe that it is going to become sexual. Uh, for your person side, it's Nine of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and the Chariot. Yes, one more thing I just forgot to tell you. With that Emperor card, I feel that there is someone new as well who is interested in you. I'm feeling that if you have joined a new company, okay, or if you have taken up a new job, there is someone who is interested in you, Libra. Okay. Yeah, so for your person, we have Nine of Cups, then we have Seven of Pentacles, and we have Chariot. Your person is watching you. Your person is watching you. This person was working on their finances. Okay, they were working on their finances. Do they have intentions to come towards you? Yes, they do have, with a Chariot card. Chariot card represents momentum. At the same time, I'm also feeling that they're regretting a lot regarding what happened between both of you, regretting the fact that their own actions led to this separation. Okay, and they are now realizing what they have lost. Okay, or the opportunity that came their way, or the kind of person you are, they are regretting it so much that they acted in such a stupid manner. Okay, they are like really cursing themselves for what they have done. Okay, and this person, this you are definitely a wish fulfillment for them. Okay, this person may have treated you as an option or whatever it is, but they are realizing that, you know they it was the biggest mistake of their life to treat you in a bad manner. Okay, it was the biggest mistake of their life. I don't see that this person is someone who is bad at heart. Okay, but somehow I see that this person got carried away. Probably there was someone else who was trying to influence them, but this person may have got carried away and they treated you bad. Because of that, this person wasn't grounded enough. Okay, this person wasn't grounded enough. Of course, whenever someone is doing any wrong thing, they are not grounded. Okay, so their energies are not grounded enough. I'm feeling that this person needs to work on their base chakra and also on their crown chakra a lot. Okay, but whatever it is, they are realizing that they have committed a mistake, and this person may be seeking some sort of an advice from someone in their life. That's what I'm getting. And they want to come transparent towards you. This person wants to be, especially I'm getting attracted towards this black and white sphinx. Okay, so they want to come towards you in a very transparent manner, in a very honest manner, but uh, they are definitely guilty about what they did to you. Mutual energy is Queen of Swords and the Hanged Man. Both of you know that Libra, you're going to be defensive, okay, and Libra, you know that they are coming towards you. So there is this energy of trying to face the fears and how to overcome these fears. Okay, you are a bit fearful that what if this person doesn't come correct. They are fearful that uh, Libra will be very defensive this time. Okay, so and both of you would know that the second encounter is going to happen. Okay, that the communication is going to happen. Both of you are thinking how that communication needs to be taken ahead. Okay, right. So what are the general messages? What are the general messages? What are the general messages? What are the general messages for you and your person, Libra? What are the general messages for you and your person? We have High Priestess, the Wheel, Six of Swords. For your person, Seven of Pentacles, the Devil, and the Five of Cups. This person is very obsessive about you, okay? I was definitely getting those vibes from the Emperor card as well, okay? High Priestess, Wheel, and Six of Swords. I believe that are you, some of you people, just comment down below, are you some of you like, shamans or psychics or healers or tarot card readers? I believe that you people are into some sort of an occult science stream, okay? And if you are planning to commercialize your gift of psychic abilities, you're going to get a lot of money, okay? And I believe you are going to do that. But whatever you're doing otherwise also I'm getting, okay, you are getting a lot of money. Money is there is a lot of money that is coming towards you in the near future. Your financial condition is going to improve, that is for sure, okay? Six of Swords, you may be changing your homes, you are getting relocated. There is a sort of a massive shift that is happening. Now this shift may be in terms of a job, this shift may be in terms of leaving some people behind, and or changing homes, or changing countries, or you may be taking up some sort of an education, and in next year to come you may get relocated to take up that higher education, okay? But before the end of 2021, for majority of you, I see that you people are changing homes. For your person, Seven of Pentacles and the Devil and the Five of Cups. This person is working hard a lot on their money. They are working very, very hard a lot on their money. This person may have experienced some minor losses in their money. Okay. There are some losses. I'm hearing that if this person is married and if they are having kids, this person is spending a lot on their kids. Like something has happened to their kids, and because of which a lot of money was required over there to be spent. This person is thinking very obsessively about you, very, very, very obsessively about you. Okay, this person is very obsessive. They want you back. Okay, they really want you back, and they cannot stand the fact of thinking you with someone else, okay? This person may be trying to connect with you telepathically, okay? You people are connected energetically for sure. This person may also be this person is also having some psychic abilities, by the way, okay? They are definitely having some psychic abilities. So let's see what are the messages from higher powers for this connection or in general. What are the messages from higher powers for this connection or in general? Envy and door to value. Someone is going to be envious of you, especially you are heading towards this abundance. I told you, right? You are heading towards this abundance and someone is jealous, someone is envious of you. You need to be careful, and probably Libra, you know who is that. That's the kind of feeling I'm getting. You know who is envious of you. Okay, you are heading towards this abundance and someone is not going to like that. Somehow I'm getting that whosoever this person is, it's someone within your near and dear circle, family members, friends, or someone. What are the messages? What are the messages from the universe regarding this connection? All right. See me in their eyes. This person loves you a lot. Okay, if you see if you look into their eyes, you will find a lot of love in their eyes. That you have options is meaningful. So if you're contemplating to have options, if you're contemplating to move on, that's fine. If you have options, you're adored. Okay, whosoever loves you, this person or anyone you think that they love you, okay, they are admiring you a lot, they're adoring you a lot. Sometimes good is hidden, sometimes the ultimate conclusion is hidden, so that you do not give up on your learning lessons. Okay, learning is equally important. The journey of learning is equally important. You needn't worry. If you're worried about something, if you have a lot of anxiety, then you don't have to worry. Most people are just trying to survive. You're being asked to live. Okay, don't just survive for the heck of it. Live. There are a lot of things in life to do, so that will make you really happy. What you give will come back. Okay, what goes around comes around. Right, so let's see what is a likely conclusion, Libra. What is a likely conclusion for the given situation? What is a likely conclusion for the given situation? The Hermit. A lot of contemplation is going on both the ends regarding what you really need to do regarding the situation. Both of you are thinking a lot about this connection, about this situation. Both of you want to arrive at some sort of a conclusion, whether you want to take it ahead, whether you don't want it. Libra, you're thinking about, whether you want to move on, you don't want this person at all. Even if they come back, what would be your answer? If you don't want them at all, even if they come back, you'll be like, no, I'm not interested, I'm moving on, I'm checking out other options. Okay, or if they come back, you want to hear them out, and then you want to decide. After hearing them out, then you want to decide. So there are a lot of thoughts running in your mind right now. Okay, what is it exactly you want to do? Okay, all right, Libra, I hope this resonates. Please hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, bye.